Hello everyone, welcome to Best One channel. In today's video, we will discuss the top 5 circuit burning repair tool. Please subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon, and many thanks to those who have already subscribed. If you like the video, don't forget to like and comment. Let's get started with the video. Item number 5 in our list is 30A mobile phone short circuit repair tool. Specifications: brand name SAYTL, model number short killer, is _ customized, no. Package case, application computer toolkit, type combination, DIY supplies electrical, origin mainland China. Item number 4 is short killer PCB short circuit fault detector box. Specifications: brand name Diphone, application computer toolkit, type combination, DIY supplies electrical, optional types TS30A, TS20A. Features: 1. Short circuit burning repair tool. As the item number 3, we've selected Phone Fix HR1520 Short Killer Burning. Specifications: brand name NONNAME _ null, application computer toolkit, type combination, DIY supplies electrical, function for phone motherboard short circuit burning repair, origin mainland China. Item number 2 is Pro Mobile Phone Short Circuit Repair Toolbox. Specifications: brand name Diphone, model number Phone Fix Short Killer, application computer toolkit, type combination, DIY supplies electrical, function mobile short circuit repair tool box 1 motherboard repair, origin mainland China. On the top of our list at number 1 we have PCB board short circuit fault detector. Specifications: brand name Diphone, model number HR1520 Short Killer Pro, application computer toolkit, type combination mobile phone short circuit repair toolkits, DIY supplies electrical, origin mainland China.
Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing and all the products mentioned in this video. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. Hope you all have a great day, and we'll see you back here soon.